All right, first we're gonna practice. And I'm gonna take out my pencil so that way we can practice together. So I'm gonna need your help. See, I have the color red counters here, and I have yellow counters here. And this is where I need your help. I need to make 6. I need to show 6. So show 6 using yellow counters and red counters, okay? And I need your help. I need to put them in this 10 frame, but I can only put 6 because right here shows that we have to show 6 only, okay? So I need your help, and so I'm gonna call on students. The first one I'm gonna call is on Ayla. I can only put 6 counters in here using red and yellow. So how many red would you like to put in here first?
Señora Peña, está en la página 121 y les dijo que en la 140.
I know, we're going to practice.
Oh, okay. They asking. They're on chat.
Yes, we're practicing. That's why I said no writing on 140 yet. We're practicing.
Okay.
Yep.
Gracias.
Red. Go ahead and mute yourself. We're only practicing. I wanted you to open to page 140, but I want you to we're going to practice before we actually complete that page. Okay? Here we go. Ayla, honey, sweetheart, how many reds do you want to use first? 3. 3. So Ayla wants 3. Then we're going to do 1. Count them with me, Ayla. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3 counters. Okay, is that 6, Ayla? Is there 6 here? Nope. Nope. So we need more, huh? We need to go all the way to 6. So now we're going to use what color? This one right here? Yellow. Yellow. But we're going to start all the way from the beginning because we got to add more all the way to 6. So here we go. Ready? Let's count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do we stop right there or do we keep going, Ayla? We stop right there. We stop right there. Why are we going to stop right there, Ayla? Because what number are we showing? We're showing 6, right? We're going to show 6. So how many red did you use, Ayla, and how many yellow did you use to make 6? 3 red. 3 red. And 3, what color? Yellow. Yellow, perfect. So 3 red, 1, 2, 3, and 3 yellow, 1, 2, 3 yellow. So 3 and 3 equals how many, Ayla? 6. 6, because that's how many there is all together, right? When we use 3 red and 3 yellow all together, there's a total of 6. So this is one way we can make 6 by putting 3 yellow and 3 red. Good job. Thank you. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and erase all this good stuff for you. And we're going to now do a different way to make 6, okay, but using different numbers. Okay, different numbers. Ayla already used 3 and 3. And we can only do 6. Only 6 in this 10 frame. So what's another way we can show 6 by using red counters and yellow counters? So I'm going to choose Amelia. What's a different way we can make 6 using different numbers?
1 red.
1 red. Okay, so we use 1 red. Okay, and the rest a different color? Did you want to do the rest in different color or keep going on red?
The rest a different color.
Perfect. All right, so we got one red. So when we show one red, we're gonna write one red. Now we gotta start from the beginning because we gotta make sure how many we're gonna show here, Emilio?
5.
Oh, no, but how many total are we gonna show? Sorry.
I do not know what that means.
Remember, total means all together. How many do we have to show all together, total? What number is this?
6.
6, right? All together, the total is 6. So we already have 1. So we're going to start with 1, and we're going to do the rest yellow. Here we go. 1. Count with me, Emilio.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Are we going to keep going or we stop there?
Stop right there.
Stop right there. Why are we stopping right there, Emilio?
Because it's 6.
Because it's 6, right? And how many yellow did we use, Emilio? Let's count them. Let's see how many yellow we did, okay? Count with me. 1,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
5.
5. How many?
5.
5. That's right. So we use 5. So now this is a different way because how many are there all together total, Emilio?
6.
6. Good job. Yes, there is 6. So there's a different way. We use 1 red and 5 yellow equals 6, a total of 6. So that's a different way to show 6. Okay, we're going to do one more. Here we go. And this time I'm going to see, we're going to do Nizaya. Nizaya, you ready for me, honey? All right, turn on your microphone, Nizaya, and you're going to help me make a different way, okay? Here we go. Let me clear all my stuff here. So we use 1 and 5, 3 and 3. So we already used those. Now we need to use different way, make a different way of making 6. What way would you like to do it? Tell me what numbers, what colors you want me to put on there and what, how many you want, okay? So how many red do you want to use? Speak nice and clear, Nizaya. How many red do you want to use, sweetheart?
Talk to your teacher.
Let's see.
Come on.
How many red do you want? 4. Okay, here we go. Count with me. 1,
Count with her.
2, 3, 4. So Nizaya wants to use 4 red. So now we have to make all the way to 6, Nizaya. So how many more yellow do you think we'll need? We have 4, so we go 1, 2,
2.
4, 5, and 6. Yes, 2 of them. Perfect. Now all together, Nizaya, 4 red and 2 yellow. How many total is that?
6.
6. Yes, perfect. Good job. Here we go. We did a different way. Now we did 3 red and 3 yellow equals 6. Thank you, Nizaya. We did 1 red and 5 yellow that equals 6. And then we did 4 red and 2 yellow that equals 6. So these are all different ways to make and show 6, okay, using red counters and yellow counters. Now we're going to practice with making 7, okay? I'm going to clear all those drawings. So now let me change my page so we can practice 7. Now we made 6. Now we need to make 7. There we go. All right, so now I'm going to ask for Davis's help. Davis, I need your help. You need to turn on your microphone so you can help me, sweetheart. Okay, Davis, we need to show in this 10 frame 7. So we cannot have more than 7. And we're going to use some yellow counters and some red counters, okay? But we cannot show more than 7. There has to be a total altogether of 7. So how many yellow would you like to put on the 10 frame and how many red? Go ahead and turn on your microphone, Davis. Davis. I'm gonna wait a couple more seconds, Davis, and then I'm gonna give somebody else a chance. All right, I'm gonna give someone else a chance because Davis is not ready quite yet. And I'm gonna ask for, let's see here, look at my participants here, and I'm gonna ask Calvin. Calvin, I need your help. We cannot have more than 7. We're gonna use some red and some yellow. So how many would you like to put on the 10 frame that are yellow? Go ahead and unmute yourself, honey. I'm not having students ready. That is a problem. It is time to pay attention. So please turn on your microphone, Kelvin. All right, I'm gonna go on to somebody else and I will talk to Calvin and Davis after class. Leah, go ahead and turn on your microphone, honey. All right, Leah. You cannot have more than 7, Leah. How many yellow and red would you like to put?
Monday, Tuesday, then she couldn't stay off Thursday, Friday. So she,
I think your mute is off.
Good, go ahead. Good, we can share up.
Can you tell me how many yellow you want to put?
For Halloween, I went to my grandparents.
How many yellow would you like to me to put on that 10 frame?
My mom and sister. We met there.
Was it more or less? I
Get lots of candy.
I'm going to draw some yellow counters on the 10 frame. How many would you like me to draw, honey?
Did you get lots of candy? Yeah. All right. And you're
1, 2, 3, you tell me.
nice. Okay. Emma.
2.
All right, so we're going to put 2 counters. 1.
Saturday.
Oh, how many did we put on there on the 10 frame?
2.
No, we used 2 yellow. How many red would you like to use? But they can't be more than 7 in the 10 frame. So we have 1, 2, and we're going to count all the way to 7, okay? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Do we keep going? Are we going to keep going, or is this 7?
On the 9.
There's 1,
Pick up.
3, 4, 5, 7. How many red did you use?
We keep going.
Okay, so let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 all together.
Emma, let me interrupt you for a minute so I can remind you about something.
No.
Okay? You get there out of highlights. So
Let's
I
count
don't
them again. Count them with me. Here we go, Leah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 all together. Oh, how many are we going to have? We're only using 7. So we can only have 7. Okay, remember that. How many red did we use? Count them. 5. Good job. So we use 5. And we have 2 yellows. So 2 yellow and
Sophia,
5 red.
no, not yet. Sophia, did you forget to ask something?
How many is all together, Leah?
Yes. Yeah, Lily, I can see you now.
Make sure you touch them. Look at
Seven.
Cassidy, go ahead. We can
Yes.
clear out. Guys,
Good
remember it's
job.
the highlight.
2 yellow and 5 red equals 7.
I went to
Thank you,
Nista
Leah. You
for
can mute yourself.
trick or treating, and Isabel.
She used 2 yellow and 5 red equals 7. Now I need somebody else to help me. Let's see if Calvin is ready. Calvin, are you ready yet? All right, we'll use Beth. Beth, turn on your microphone, honey, and you're gonna show me a different way how to make 7. Okay? We cannot have more than 7 counters in here, okay? How many yellow would you like me to put in here?
Three.
Perfect. 1, 2, 3. So how many do we have in there of yellow?
Three.
3. So we're going to write down here that we use 3 yellow, right? Now, we know we have 3, and we have to go all the way to what number?
7.
7. So we're going to start all over from the beginning. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2,
2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are we going to keep going, or is that our total?
We stop right there
We stop right there because why?
because that makes 7.
Beautiful. Thank you. How many red did you use?
2.
Oh, look again.
4.
4. Good job. You used 4 red. So 3 counters and 4 red counters. 3 yellow and 4 red equals how many?
7.
7. Thank you so much, sweetheart. All right, everybody. Now that we practice, we're going to go back to our page 140. So everybody turn your page and get ready to listen to the directions so we can finish that page. Okay? And we're going to do it together. So 140, and it's right here. Everybody should be on this page with me. Okay, I'm going to give you the directions, and we're going to do this together. Number 1 says, use counters to model the number 7. Okay, use counters to model the number 7. So we just did that. Remember, this is how 7 looks. We're going to use red counters and yellow counters. So go ahead and take out those 2 color crayons, and you're going to show me how to make the 7 using red and yellow. Okay? Red and yellow, we just practiced that, okay? So use some red and some yellow, and they cannot be more than 7, okay? So 7. And then we're gonna draw the counters, and then we're gonna write the numbers, okay? So right here, we're gonna do red, and we're gonna draw some red counters, okay? So draw some red counters here, and then write the number, and then draw yellow. So right here, we're gonna draw yellow down here, and we're gonna draw red down here, okay? And they have to be together, all together has to be 7, okay? All together must be 7, this number right here, okay? So write how many
How
you
is it gonna be 7 when there's 5 counters?
because we're gonna make 7, okay? We're gonna put, how many are we gonna use here to make 7? We're gonna do how many? So we have a 5 frame, but we're gonna pretend down here that we have another 5 frame, okay? See how there is a 5 frame there? Okay, so how many are we gonna use red and how many yellow? And remember, they have to be 7. So how many do you want to draw red and how many yellow? Okay. Now, once you're done with that, we're going to count. Count how many there is. Count with me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then write the number here. And then count the duckies and write the number here. So I'm going to count, I'm going to call on somebody. On right here, the little spin wheels right here. How many are there? How many did we count? I'm going to ask Russell. Russell, honey, how many little spin wheels, I think they're called, or windmills, or, I can't remember. Right here, how many did we count, Russell? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many?
5.
Oh, count them with me again. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. How many?
6.
6. Thank you, Russell. Now, Russell, I need your help again. How many duckies? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many duckies?
7.
7. Thank you, Russell. Now I'm gonna see if Calvin's ready. Calvin, are you ready? All right, if Calvin's not ready, I'm going to pick on, I'm gonna ask Petra. Petra, honey, how many red did you put on your 10 frame, honey? How many on your 5 frame? How many red did you use? Can you tell me how many you drew? There's 1. How many are you gonna draw on the other one, honey? Turn on your microphone. So I'm looking to see who, Calvin is not on here nowhere. Yes, he is. All right. Beth, how many did you use, honey? How many red did you use and how many yellow to make 7? Hello, Beth. All right. I'm going to go keep on going, and then I'm going to talk to the whole class because this is a problem. There is 1. Oh, okay. Hold on, honey. Go ahead and tell me.
3 reds and 3 yellows.
Okay, so 3 red and 3 yellows. How many? What's the number that we have to make, honey? It's right here.
7.
Is that 7?
Mm-hmm.
3 red and 3 yellow. Is that 7?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's look at it. There's 3 red and 3 yellow, right? So let's count them all together. Remember, it has to be total 7. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
Is that 7?
No.
No. So what do we need to do? We need to put what? How many? If we have 6, we need how many more?
1 more.
1 more. Which one do you want to do? You want to do yellow or red?
Yellow.
Yellow. So we're going to add 1 more. So this no longer is 3. How many yellow do you have now? Because you changed it. You added 1 more. So how many more do you have? How many yellow do you have?
7.
Oh, are you sure? How many yellow? 1, 2, 3,
4.
4. Yeah, so now 3 red and 4 yellow equals how many?
7.
7. Good job. Good job. All right, down here on number 4, right here, it says circle all the sets. Remember, this is a set, this is a set, and this is a set. And we're going to circle only the ones that have 7. So count with me together, and you're only going to circle around the group the set that has 7. So we're going to count this together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do we have here? Do we have 7? If we do, we're going to circle it. If we don't, we're going to put an X on it. And we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yes, this group has 7, this set. Now let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do we have 7? Yes, we counted 7. Circle it. Now we're going to count this one, this set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7 here, and then we have 6 right here. If it's not 7, we are going to put an X because it is not 7. Okay? Everybody should have this done. One showing me how to make 7 different way, counting those and writing the number and only circling the set that has 7. Okay, when you are done, go ahead and we are on a 5-minute break. 5-minute break. And I want to speak to Calvin and Davis.